Hi everyone! The NorthStar is one of the really cool features of Royal Caribbean's Quantum class of cruise ships. It's basically a glass dome pod on a crane that takes you high above the ship and even over the ocean. If you will be cruising on one of the Quantum class ships and want to ride the NorthStar for free, we highly recommend you book a spot using the Royal Caribbean app as soon as possible during embarkation day. Now, we couldn't grab one of the limited spots for a free ride, so we opted for the $29 per person, quote, extended experience. So check out how that was like for us. Enjoy the view and let us know what you think in the comments section below. You excited to go on the NorthStar?
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Are you excited?
This is Captain Bear from the bridge.
We can go together.
And we want to report we have 3 new guest cases.
That's probably why they were saying.
They have been moved to isolation and close contacts have already been located and we are taking good care of all of them. I encourage you to keep washing your hands, wearing your mask, and maintaining physical distance. Ladies and gentlemen, I will keep you updated on any changes, and my next announcement to you should be tomorrow when I have some more news. I hope you enjoy the holidays on board on our newest station. Thank you all. And then our international ambassador Ivan will do a short message for our international guests.
Just stay away from the door, stay away from the control panel, watch your heads on the television. Ladies, feel free to move around. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask them.
This is basically a 360-degree view.
Pardon?
A 360-degree view.
Yeah, so we're going up, down to the side, up to the top, over the other side, and then back down. So that's supposed to be on the port bay. When we're in port, we can't go over the side because we're next to a ship. So now, for the safety reason, just go up, rotate, come back down. Yesterday was supposed to be a port day. We were supposed to be in Aruba. So they were scheduled to go up and down, so the captain just left it like that. Yeah, there's also air conditioning, and it is right here.
Air conditioning, yeah.
So now we're completely over the side of the ship.
Watch out for the doors now. How are you now?
That's where the fuck should be. Where the bus finance?
This is basically a 360-degree view.
Pardon?
After the 360-degree.
Oh, hi, yeah, well, we're talking.
Wow.
So when we get to the top, we start to rotate to the side, we'll be 300 foot from the sea level, about 100 foot from the platform.
When they were both watching on the TV. Oh, yeah.
Especially when it shakes a little bit.
Yeah. That is so cool.
Yeah.
You can really appreciate how big the ship is.
Yeah. way over in the distance, we passed it about 20 minutes ago. And we've got another cruise ship over there. If you can see it in the horizon.
Are they Royal Caribbean ships or who knows?
That one's Norwegian, that one's Carnival, not completely foreign.
Oh, you did? Okay.
So nobody can get any reports anywhere right now, probably not.
I don't know. Just one line, I think came on.
Oh,
They had symptoms, they were positive. Another one was doing the spotlight for shows. It was great.
oh my goodness.
Now it's a bit better, but we're still. It has to go straight up, little rotation. Oh, okay. Yeah.
How long have you been on the ship?
Since October. Symptoms were fine. Did the tests. 2 days in, positive. Oh yeah, no, we did have symptoms. Passed it on to the crew. We didn't know at the time. And it just got passed on. That's what we went
Because of the contact you've had with me over the last.
yeah. So you have to. Now
So
we
it
have to-
wipes out so much of your staff.
Yeah.
Cool,
So
huh?
what happened? It has. It's all right now because we're in soft quarantine. So because it didn't. I know a break for the day, and then all the crew staff, so the ones who host the bingo, the ones that because they ran up because they've not been using the food. I don't get how they can do it.
No, I don't get it.
I have food drops outside my cabin.
Yeah?
I'm not in quarantine.
Wow.
London was about to us, was here, what,
Yeah. They don't actually charge that much.
No?
They don't charge that much, no.
Yeah,
No.
we had to go from, if I was to do it again, I would take the train from the airport,
Yeah.
from Heathrow
Yes.
Yeah.
to London.
Oh, till June or July.
Okay.
So I think it'll get better. If it gets better and we can start getting off the places and stuff, yeah, I'll do it for a few years. If not, I might wait, go travelling by myself, and then come back in a couple of years when we can get off from different places. Because at the minute, it's just get up, go to work, go to sleep, get up, go to sleep. I'm still enjoying it. I'm still having a good time.
That's good.
Yeah, it's hard at the minute. First Christmas away from home. So like, I'm gonna send you messages like how much editions and
Oh, that's tough.
yeah.
Our waiter that we had was quarantined for 40 days, he said. In a room,
In a
one
room.
room by it.
In an interior room for
And
40
then
days, just putting food out.
40 days.
All he had was TV and, yeah.
If you're on the ship that sails around Alaska and China, that's 30 days quarantine as standard.
No matter what.
If they want to put it before, like some people do like 6 weeks. My manager, when like COVID was like just kicking off and stuff, he was going from ship to ship. For 3 months, all I did was go to a ship, quarantine. We went from ship to ship, quarantine, and then got sent home.
And you don't get paid when you quarantine.
We do get,
No, they would have to.
I don't know how it went before COVID. That ship was closed, sent into another ship, quarantine, 3 months. I got a room to myself. Now there's more guests on board. You have to share a cabin with someone who you've never met. You've got to share a cabin for a week, not allowed in the room. If I tested positive, I get paid for that 2 weeks that I was in quarantine. There is a plus side.
It's nice.
How was it?
Hi guys, welcome home. Okay, follow me, we're going to exit that way, over to the right.
And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in another video.